YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're gonna take a look at Stahl'S. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Guess where I'm at, y'all? Shh. I'm inside Stahl'S. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little tutorial of sorts and press on some of the garments. So let's hop into it. So when it comes to the latest technology, as far as silk screen transfers, hot split transfers, and a different assortment of transfers, Stahl'S is the place to go. We're getting ready to explore some of that. At any given time, you can go to their website and go ultimately to the bottom of the screen and request the 2021 idea book, which we have here, or the buyer's guide. And what it is a book that contains all their transfers and some of the material that they have coming out for the year. For example, the elastic prints, which we're going to print some of these here in a second. Just want to show you guys that they do have a guide that they can get out to you. So in case you're inquiring or you wondered, you'll have it right here in your hand. Another thing that they offer is the hot split. And one that I'm extremely excited to try, which is the Goof Proof. So to my left, guys, looks like we have the 16x20 Hydronics heat press. Very nice. Comes with a built stand. And you see how the heat press is actually affixed to it? It's not tipping anywhere. Pretty sturdy system. Let's check the dials around front. Very easy to work with. Just want to hit set. Or actually mode. And we'll set. Mode again. Tells us how many presses. 15 tells us how long it's going to press for. Back to mode, which we just set it at 320. When I say this is the Cadillac of presses, I mean it. Look at that. Wow. Let's press something, y'all. So we're going to try the transfers out. We're actually going to do Goof Proof first. But I want to show you guys how I thread my shirt onto the platen. And usually I have a lint roller. I just want to leave my collar hanging off just a little bit. And the ultimate goal is 3 finger lengths down. You can lift it up to just make sure. It's ultimately an eyeballing game. And the first thing you want to do is press this shirt. Get all the excess moisture out of it. Smooth. It went down. Guess this is why they call this the Cadillac of heat presses. Here we go. Nice clean surface. Now, for the Goof Proof, the application is approximately at 325 degrees. The medium to firm pressure, it tells us everything on here. Basically, preheat your apparel. Place the apparel on the platen for 3 to 5 seconds, which we just did by preheating it. Position your transfer and press. Peel transfer carrier hot. So this is a hot peel. So let's grab this for the Goof Proof. It's the Mahoney Panthers. Also, I love how the guys got the grid on the back so you can line it up. A lot of these transfers aren't see-through. You cannot see through the back of them. Okay. So we'll just keep the church to 325. mode again. Hit mode again. And you hit mode all the way to cycle it back to the beginning. Even though this isn't a slide out unit, guys, look how much room I have to get all the way to the back of the platen. As in with the other ones, you have like this very narrow gap. That's pretty good amount of distance right there. We're gonna press this Goof Proof though, real quick. What's that, 5 seconds? I need to reset the counter. Remember, even in the studio, I make the mistakes, so you don't have to. And press it for 8 to 12 seconds. So it went very high at 12. And we're gonna get some of this pilling motion. As it is to peel hot. Flawless victory. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I see a clean carrier sheet, it brings smiles. So you guys just watched me press up this Goof Proof, which was wonderful. The feel is actually really nice. It's in there like swimwear. Let's do the hand feel test. Oh yeah, that's definitely in there. Little feel?
Yeah.
I mean, that's superior right there. And that was the Goof Proof transfers. Hey yo, I don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely gonna be grabbing some of these Goof Proof. And I know y'all seen that press right there, one of a kind. I'm also gonna try to grab one of those, you know. But this has been your boy Mike T's from Mike T's. Shout out to the squad, you know who you are. All things Stahl'S. Faye, you dig? And my homeboys 12 on Apparel. But I'm out, y'all.